So question number 5. Before that, let me revise you the theorem, the property. Derivative of x raised to n. It is n x raised to n minus 1. This is the answer, this is the theorem, this is the property. And if someone asks what is the derivative of constant, then it is 0. You have to remember this only. Okay? Chalo. So question number 5, they said find the derivative for the function. So f dash is equal to what? Derivative x raised to 100 upon 100, x raised to 99 upon 99, plus up to plus x square by 2 plus 1. So 100 कैसे करेंगे? सेपरेट दे देते हैं, डेरिवेटिव को क्या कर रहे हैं? सेपरेट दे देते हैं. तो x रेज टू 100 अपन 100, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू 99 अपन 99, डट 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 डट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर बाई 2, and at last derivative of 1. Okay, so derivative of x raised to 100, 100 comes, and 100 minus 1, 99. Similar way, 99 comes, x to the power 98, 99. Dot 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 dot. 2 comes and plus 0. So 100 100 cut. Our answer is x raised to 99, x raised to 98 up to x. This is our answer. This is the derivative. Okay, let's move further. They said prove that value of f dash 1 is equivalent to value of 100 into f dash 0. Okay, so let's find f dash 1. So f dash 1 is equal to 1 dash to 99, 1 dash to 98, plus 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 1, 1 plus 1, dot 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 1. Can anyone tell me how many times 1? Why 99, dear? Total 99. See, there is my mistake. X square by 2 plus x. Okay, so let me add this plus x. Okay, so derivative of, there is my mistake. Okay, I forgot that x plus 1 plus 1. Now tell me how many times 1? सर जानबूझ के किया ना जी ना, मैं जानबूझ के नहीं करता ऐसा कुछ. नाउ टेल मी हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 100 times 1, so it is 100. Okay, now let's find f dash 0. F dash 0, so f dash 0 is equal to 0 to the power 99, 0 to the power 98, plus up to plus 0 plus 1, so it is 1. So it is clear that 100 times f dash 0 is equal to 100 times 1 is equal to 100 times, okay, is equal to 100, and 100 can be written as f dash 1. Hence proved that f dash 1 is 100 times f dash 0. F dash 1 is 100 times f dash 0. I just forgotten that x. Okay, keep in mind. So how many times 1? It is 100 times once. Okay, complete it fast. Let's move on. Question number 6. Find derivative. Okay, find derivative for some fixed real number, means age real number. Age you can consider 2, 3, 5, any arbitrary number, real number. बराबर. So let's first of all find f of x. So f dash x. So first of all write f of x, x raised to n, a x raised to n minus 1, a square x raised to n minus 2, dot 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 dot, a raised to n minus 1 x, and last a raised to n. A is a constant number. Okay, so derivative, you can consider f dash x is equal to dy dx x raised to n, a x raised to n minus 1, a square x raised to n minus 2, dot 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 dot, a n minus 1 x plus a raised to n. So कैसे करेंगे डेरिवेटिव x raised to n comes n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, here n minus 1 comes, x raised to n minus 1 minus 1, n minus 2 comes, x raised to n minus, directly I am writing 3. Derivative of x 1. Derivative of constant, this is a constant number, 0. Okay, so this is our answer. So before completing the question 7, let me give you some property of the derivative. ठीक है, जो आपको याद रखनी है, एज अ फॉर्मूला समझ लो या कुछ भी समझ लो. कहाँ चली गई, वेट 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 वेट, यस, चलिए. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ two function, I can say f and g, then formula is f as it is derivative of g plus g as it is derivative of f. ठीक है, ये एक फॉर्मूला आपको लर्न करनी है. एंड सेकंड वन इज व्हाट, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f by g, means division form. At that time formula is what, g as it is derivative of f minus f as it is derivative of g divided by g square. Okay, function g square. Let me write g of x whole square. Okay, these two formula you have to learn. So in question number 7, if you observe, you are having two functions. First is f and second is g, and between them product is given. So using first formula, let's say we are going to find derivative of x minus a into x minus b. So x minus a as it is derivative of x minus b plus x minus b as it is derivative of x minus a. ठीक है, चलो डेरिवेटिव करते हैं. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x 1, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ b 0, derivative of x 1, derivative of a 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2 times x minus a minus b. This is our answer. Let me show you one more method. Let me show you one more method. After expanding, let's find the derivative. आफ्टर एक्सपांडिंग मीन्स पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए प्लस बी एक्स प्लस ए बी. ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट ही लिखा है. सो डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करते हैं. तो व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर? सर इट इज 2x. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए? सर इट इज 1. सॉरी, व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्स? सर इट इज 1. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कांस्टेंट? सर इट इज 0. So yes, it is your answer 2x minus a minus b. Okay, these two method is there for question number 7. Clear? Okay, let's move on. Question number 8. So in question number 8, there are two ways to solve this question. Let me first write the question, and question is ax square plus b होल स्क्वायर. दो मेथड है, दो में से आपको जो अच्छी लगे वो. ठीक है. ओके, सो यू कैन कंसिडर दिस ब्रैकेट एज ax स्क्वायर प्लस बी इंटू ax स्क्वायर प्लस बी. अब ये वाली मेथड में क्या होगा, f इंटू जी. ठीक है. सेकंड मेथड सर, सेकंड मेथड तो फॉर्मूला a स्क्वायर प्लस ओ दो बार है a स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम a b प्लस बी स्क्वायर, चाहे कुछ भी यूज करो. ठीक है. अब डायरेक्टली डेरिवेटिव करना है तो लगा दो डी बाई डी एक्स. किसका करेंगे, a स्क्वायर एक्स रेस टू 4, यहाँ पे 2 टाइम ए बी एक्स स्क्वायर और लास्ट बी स्क्वायर. सर इसका डेरिवेटिव आता है हमको, कैसे करेंगे, 4 कम्स 4 माइनस 1 3, 2 comes 2 minus 1 1 and the derivative of constant 0. तो यस, दिस इज आवर आंसर. अगर f इंटू जी वाली मेथड से करना है तो क्या करेंगे, f एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ g प्लस g एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f. काफ़ी आसान है. तो इट लुक लाइक सिमिलर है, तो 2 टाइम्स कर रहा हूँ, दोनों सेम ही दिख रहे हैं तो 2 टाइम्स कर रहा हूँ. 2 टाइम ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी इन अनदर ब्रैकेट, डेरिवेटिव लिखें ए एक्स स्क्वायर का तो 2 टाइम ए एक्स एंड 0. नाउ आफ्टर एक्सपांडिंग 2 टू ज़ा 4, a इंटू ए स्क्वायर, एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स क्यूब प्लस 2 टू ज़ा 4 a b x. You can observe both answer same, so you can use ab or you can use you can use f into g or you can use a square plus 2ab plus b square. कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो. Let's solve number 9. So in number 9, can anyone tell me what we do? Sir, it is the formula of f by g. You can use that formula. चलो, let me write formula for you. G as it is f dash minus f as it is g dash upon g square. This is your first time, so I am writing the formula. So according to formula, g means denominator, f by g. G as it is means x minus b as it is. Derivative of f, so d by d x of numerator minus numerator as it is. Derivative of x minus b divide by g square means x minus b whole square. Okay, let's solve. So x minus b, derivative 1 minus 0, derivative of x 1, derivative of a 0. Okay, x minus a as it is, derivative of x 1, derivative of b 0 upon x माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. चलिए फर्दर एक्सपांड करते हैं, तो x माइनस बी, यहाँ पे x माइनस ए अपन x माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व x x कट, माइनस माइनस प्लस ए, दिस वन माइनस बी अपन x माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर, ओह दैट्स माय मिस्टेक, मैंने नंबर 9 दे दिया जबकि ये क्वेश्चन सब क्वेश्चन है 7 का 3. ओके, चलिए जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 की ओर. वंस अगेन दे सेड फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव. चलिए क्या था फॉर्मूला f बाई जी के लिए, एफ बाई जी के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या था, तो जी एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एफ माइनस एफ एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ जी डिवाइड बाय g square divided by g square. So what is the answer? X minus a, here n x to the power n minus 1. Why 0? A raised to n is a constant and derivative of constant 0. X raised to n, a raised to n, derivative of x 1, derivative of a 0. Divide as it is. Okay, now let's multiply. So x is multiplied, so x into n into x to the power n minus 1. Same way a is multiplied, so a into n into x to the power n minus 1. Similar way, x raised to n minus minus plus a raised to n. Divide by x minus a whole square. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is, let's merge this x, addition of powers, so n into x minus a, sorry, x raised to n, that is my mistake, x raised to n, a n x raised to n minus 1 minus x raised to n plus a raised to n. अरे सर x रेस टू n दो टर्म के पास है, दो टर्म लाइकली टर्म्स, कोई नहीं, लाइकली टर्म्स को मर्ज कर देते हैं, तो x रेस टू n कॉमन, लाइकली टर्म्स को मर्ज कर दिया तो n माइनस 1, बाकी के एज इट इज रख दो. ओके, बाकी के एज इट इज रख दो. तो दिस इज आवर आंसर. मेक इट फास्ट. Now let's move on question number 9. And what is question number 9? They said find the derivative. ऐसा क्या? Okay, and sub question first one, derivative of 2x minus 3 by 4. As we all know, derivative of x 1, derivative of constant 0, so our answer is 2. Wow. Let's do second. They said find the derivative of 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 x minus 1. So as we know formula, or you can multiply and after derivative, choice is yours. Let's multiply this time. So x is multiplied 5x raised to 4, x is multiplied 3x square minus x, now minus 1 is multiplied to minus 5x cube minus 3x plus 1. Likely terms, let's combine likely terms. So 5x raised to 4, 5x cube, 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Derivative, 4 comes 20, 4 minus 1 3, 3 comes 15, 3 minus 1 2, 2 comes 6, 2 minus 1 1, 4 x 1 0. This is our answer. Okay, this is sub question number 2. Now let's do third number, and third number says that derivative of x cube into 5 plus 3x. So x cube multiplied, so I am having 5 into x raised to minus 3 plus 3x into x to the power minus 3. Okay, so derivative 5x to the power minus 3 plus addition of power. Okay, now we are going to derivative. Minus 3 comes, so minus 15, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Minus 2 comes, so 3 2s are minus 6, and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. This is our answer. Let me complete fourth one also. So derivative of x raised to 5 in bracket 3 minus 6x raised to minus 9. Okay, so before that let's multiply. So 3x raised to 5, 6x raised to minus 9 into x raised to 5. So addition of powers will give 6x raised to minus 4. Now derivative, let's find derivative. 5 comes, so 15, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 4s are 24 plus 24, 4 minus 1 minus 5. This is our answer of sub question 4. Fifth number, and the fifth number says that find the derivative of x raised to minus 4, 3 minus 4x raised to minus 5. So first of all, multiply. So multiplication, it is 3x raised to minus 4. Minus 5 and minus 4 will give minus 9. Derivative, minus 4 comes, so minus 12, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 9 comes, so plus 9 4s are 36, and minus 9 minus 1, it is minus 10. This is our answer of fifth. Let's do sixth one. Okay, so derivative of 2y x plus 1 and x square 3x minus 1. What should we do? Don't know, sir. Let's use f by g. So see, g as it is, derivative of f minus f as it is, derivative of g upon g square. Okay, same way for the second part, minus g as it is, derivative of f minus f as it is, derivative of g divided by g square. Okay, let's further simplify this. So x plus 1 as it is, derivative of 2, it is 0, 2 as it is, derivative of x 1 plus 0 divided by x plus 1 whole square. So 0 into anything 0, 0 minus 2. So I am directly writing minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square, minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. For the second part, same funda, let's expand. So x square multiplied, so 3x cube. Sorry, my mistake. First derivative. So derivative of x square 2x, derivative of 3x 3 minus 0, derivative of 1 is 0 divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. So if we expand, so it is something 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square upon 3x minus 1 whole square. So let's solve the Dirichlet term. 6x square minus 3x square, it is 3x square minus 2x upon 3x minus 1 whole square, and here minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. This is our final answer. Okay.